everybody. I'm so excited to share with you one of my favorite summer drinks, a non-alcoholic Mai Tai, and it's so good for you. All you need is pineapple juice, orange juice, club soda, cream of coconut, some crushed ice, and then a little bit of a pineapple slice for garnish. And it's so easy, you just mix it all together. So pour it into a big pitcher. Got the pineapple, got the orange juice, a little club soda, and then a little bit of the cream of coconut, and mix it all up. Oh, wait till you taste it. You will love it. I'm so excited. I love a good summer drink. Yes. And top it off with a little pineapple. It's all good for us. And cheers. Enjoy your summer drinks.